what a speed hump is, right?
Yep.
It's a quickie.
That's a
Continue straight to stay on Strong Thurman Boulevard.
They don't need mine, do they?
Yeah, they don't need yours too.
They'll ask for it in.
Driver's license. Who's your driver?
Hello. You need mine as well?
What's that?
Do you need mine as well?
Where you going?
Well, I'm just dropping off these passengers. Yes. Oh, I cannot?
No, he's not an Uber driver. He's our friend. Okay, let me explain something to you.
Yeah, I didn't know that one. What about Lyft?
Do not, with a warrant officer present, do not make a false statement like that, especially if you're here for training. All right, we're gonna go off base then. Okay, we'll do a U-turn. He can drop you off here. We're just gonna do a U-turn, sir. But unless y'all want to leave, but
I don't want to break this.
But I'm Ubers and not authorized on both.
Okay.
Whatever your passengers want to do.
Okay, thank you.
We'll do a U-turn. All right.
Thank you.
What the fuck made you talk to him like that?
What y'all want me to do?
Yeah, I want you to do a
Just
fucking...
drop us over there. We'll be okay.
Over here?
Yes, thank you.
I'm so pissed off right now.
Can I drop them off over here? They want to get dropped off here.
You can do it right there and I can turn you around. It's no problem.
Yeah, I just...
Yes, thank you.
You're the worst fucking Lyft driver I've ever fucking had.
All right, here's the deal.
What the fuck made you speak up?
Why don't you get the fuck out of my car?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
right
going
now.
to.
Get out of my car right now.
Fucking retard.
Wendy, I enjoyed riding with you. I enjoyed riding with you, so.
Thank you.
He's
Yes. Thank you.
had too much to drink.
Yes, he has.
Make sure you got everything.
Don't ever.
Got it. Thank you.
Thanks for that info on the... I wasn't aware.
I know it's a pain in the neck, but Uber does not have a contract to be able to come on a
Yeah.
DOD facility.
Well, and I was asking, I was like, what, you know, am I going to be able to come on board? And they're like, oh yeah, no problem, no problem. I was like, come on, really?
I mentioned somebody opposite.
Well, he started cussing me out. And I told him, I said, get the fuck out of my car. You know, I don't need that crap.
Article 94. That means is for her conduct unbecoming of an officer.
Yeah, so
that would be a big deal. He's lying to us.
Yeah.
First thing right there.
Thank you.